312 deaths and 14,933 new COVID-19 positive cases reported in India in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India stands at 4,40,215, including 1,78,014 active cases. 2,48,190 people have been cured and discharged from hospitals. 14,011 deaths have been reported so far across the country. Lockdown is in force in several areas of Bengaluru. Security heightened in Kalasipalya, Chickpet and market areas owing to increase in number of COVID-19 cases. Mayor and BBMP officials visit spot and analyze the ground situation. Traffic restrictions also imposed in several parts of the city due to COVID-19 clusters. Medical infrastructure continues to creak in Bengaluru. COVID-19 patients complain of poor conditions and facilities at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Chest Diseases, allege that they are not being given healthy food and treatment. Medical Education Minister Sudhakar's family members test positive. His mother, wife and daughter test positive after his father had tested positive on Monday. Sudhakar and his two sons have tested negative for COVID-19 and the minister took to Twitter to confirm this news. Common man continues to bear the brunt as fuel prices have been hiked for the 17th consecutive day in India. Petrol prices hiked by 20 paise per litre while diesel prices have increased by 55 paise per litre. Meanwhile, Congress Working Committee to meet today to discuss increase in fuel prices. Congress likely to stage nationwide protest and take a final decision after the meeting. Supreme Court defers decision on CBSE exams. CBSE board seeks more time from Supreme Court and says that they will come to a final decision on Thursday, even as lakhs of students wait in anticipation whether board exams will be conducted for Standard 10 and Standard 12 across the nation. Army Chief MM Narwane to visit forward post in Ladakh amid growing tensions with China. The Army Chief has already left for Leh and will also hold talks with commanders as they have been given a free hand to act according to the situation. The Indian rupee opened at 75 rupees 86 paise against the US dollar on Tuesday morning. It had closed at 76 rupees 2 paise on Monday. The 75 rupees 75 paise level is seen as a strong support at this juncture. And the number of COVID-19 cases around the world have crossed a grim milestone of 9 million mark, recording 90,74,624 cases. 4,71,640 people have succumbed to the deadly pandemic. 45,11,603 people have recovered from the deadly virus. US continues to remain the worst affected COVID-19 country with 23,10,786 cases.